Hey y'all, it's been a tough few months with the build, and I am over it, and we are breaking up.
What he means is, we are breaking up with our big box stores. He's never getting rid of me. For a little while now, I have been telling you guys that I have been working on a really big project behind the scenes. And I would like to say that you are now looking at Home Outlet's new brand ambassador. So, my name is Yami. I am your Latina next door. And for the past several months, we have been sharing our entire build of our house from breaking ground to what you see behind me right now. And you might recall Home Outlet because we worked with them when we were building our small little cottage so that we can live in while we build our home on our property. Now, we use them to create my beautiful little kitchenette, and now we're going to be using them inside my house, and we're going to show you all of the details, everything I've been working in the next few months.
We are talking kitchen, bathroom, flooring, you name it.
I am going to be taking you guys along during our entire interior build out.
We are going to take you with us as we explore what Home Outlet has to offer us so that we can finish the interior of our home. And if you're wondering if a Home Outlet store is near you, they operate 106 locations across 20 states, from New York to Florida and South Texas.
And if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, check out Seconds and Surplus. They are Home Outlet's sister store. They have amazing products, a great designing team, and a professional staff that will help you get the look for your kitchen and your home.
All right, so now that we are just about done with the exterior of the house, the real work begins. And through our partnership with Home Outlet and their help, we'll be completing some of the most important spaces in our home. With their in-house service, I was able to design a kitchen that will not only be timeless and beautiful, but will function exactly how I envision it for our family of 6.
So we're in the middle of construction right now, as you can see, and I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of the kitchen because this is going to be the star of the home. I am so excited, and I finally get my dream kitchen. It's going to be open to the dining area as well as the living room behind you. Now, what I'm going to have here is this huge island, and then behind me I'm going to have the range as well as a beautiful hood, and then to the left of me I am going to have like the refrigerator and more counter space. And I am going to be able to record even more recipes for you guys, and I know a lot of you have been asking for them, so just wait till I have my kitchen because it's going to be amazing. Now behind here is another special area, and it's one of my favorite parts of the kitchen even though it's not with it. It's right behind this wall right here, and it's a pass-through, and this is supposed to be like a prep kitchen, but it's more going to be like a butler's pantry for me. And we're going to have an additional refrigerator back here for all of our meat that we get in bulk. We're going to have a beverage fridge as well as additional storage and open shelving so that I can have a ton of storage for my dried goods. And even though the space is going to be a little bit separate from the main kitchen, I'm going to share how I'm going to tie both spaces together, but kind of make them unique in their own way. So that's just a little sneak peek of what's going to happen in this space.
I will take you through the entire process, sharing my inspiration, then taking that in mind and pairing it with the options available at their stores. Their team and I worked together to find the right layout with the right details, and I was able to see exactly how it was all going to come together with their 3D program in their store. But that's not the best part. Not only are we going to be doing our kitchen, but we're going to be doing 3 full bathrooms. And let's not forget the floors that you helped me pick out on Instagram.
Ooh, look at that one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is there any, oh, that's different too. That's like a different tone underneath there. We gotta see all these samples, see what we got. And Nelson just suggested this, which I think was a great idea. So I need y'all's help. We know which one we're gravitating to, but we kind of want to know what you guys are gravitating to as well. Look how beautiful that is.
Home Outlet specializes in kitchens, bathrooms, floors, and so much more. They're 100% employee owned, which brings a higher level of service directly to you. the consumer. Whether you're building from the ground up like us or remodeling a space in your current home, their mission is to provide amazing solutions with high quality products at the best prices. From ready to assemble cabinets available any time of the week to custom special order cabinets that will take your kitchen or bath to the next level. So if you have an upcoming home project, consider this your sign to break up with your big box stores and head on over to Home Outlet, where they have a professional team and all the things you need to make it happen. I cannot wait to show you how we're going to transform all of these spaces, so make sure to stay tuned as we will start in the upcoming weeks. I cannot begin to express how valuable their help throughout this entire process has been for us. So make sure to stick around so you can see how it's going.
How's it going?
It's going.
It's going.
So that was our big announcement, and we are so excited because we are really about to commence the interior work. We're going to be taking you through each one of these rooms, and we're going to share exactly how I came with the idea, the concept of how I wanted each one to be finished out. And my guy back here is going to be helping me do every step of the way.
There's a lot of stuff to do. Obviously, the biggest project we've ever done. She is pushing the Latino engineer to his limits, and I guess let's find out if I can do it or not. Yeah, we actually get to do the cool stuff. You know, y'all been watching the meat, the bones. Now you actually get to see like the dressing.
So let us know what you guys think. What are you looking forward to the most? Which is the room that you guys want to see completed? Because I'm curious to know.
The kitchen.
We have a lot in store for that one. As if I didn't make you food already.
I know, look at this.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned because we're going to be coming out with new videos very soon of our Building a Farmhouse episode. And we will see you guys back here very soon. Until then, adios.